audience who took the time to attend this agenda. We are standing here become master of ceremony for this great event, and now we want to read the agenda in this morning. First agenda is opening. Second agenda is introduce all team of ICP champions. Third agenda is the core agenda that is a reading the rules and continue with the game. Fourth agenda is totaling the score in every game. Fifth agenda is announcement to the winner of this event. Sixth agenda is closing. First agenda is opening. Let's open our agenda today by reading Al-Fatihah. Give applause to our team.
Yay! I'm so excited to follow ICP champion. I hope I with my team can be the winner.
For this time, I give you Master of Quiz to lead the challenge. Master of Quiz, time is yours.
Okay, to all of team, listen carefully before doing the game. Please raise your hand if you are not understand. In this event, we have third challenge. First challenge is behind the envelope. In this challenge, champion must correctly answer the question in the envelope provided. Each group will get one envelope. At this part, we are not guess your score if your team can to answer. Prepare yourself on the team. Team 1 and Team 3 don't expect more to be a winner because I am and my team are the winner. Ha 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 ha. I ask to one of you forward to take one envelope. First challenge is done. I will announce the highest score. Congratulations, first team! Good job, team. All of us can answer the question well. Continue to next challenge, and I give back this time to Master of Quiz. Second challenge is fighting over question. There are questions provided. Team representative can answer by raising the hand. Every team, please determine the first player. Please prepare to all of the team. First question. Guess the reader. Tito met me, Stephanie, Jenny, Rasmi. What am I?
Money.
Okay, your answer is true.
Next question, lanjutan dari ayat berikut adalah wa idza qaluhum aw wazanuhum yukhsirun.
Ala yadullu ulaika annahum mab'utsun.
Okay, your answer is true.
Next question, how to spelling the ordinal number of 23rd?
T is R T E T W
cahaya.
Okay, your answer is true.
Second challenge is done. I will read the normal language song. Congratulations to first team. Get 400. Give us.
It must be admitted that the team 1 is very great, but wait on the round 3, okay? Although my team win on second round, I have to make more effort on third round.
Wow, good job team 1. Saka is so fast when raise hand and can answer all the questions, but waiting us on third round.
Continue the challenge, and I give back this time to the master of quiz.
Okay, thank you to Master of Ceremony.
The last challenge is experiment.
This challenge provided 3 experiments, where each group can identify the cause and reason.
The experiment will be displayed on the screen. Okay, for the first team, you can choose the number of video. Let's watch the video or number.
I choose number 1.
Video number 1.
For this experiment, we need 2 cups of water, 2 eggs, these are hard-boiled eggs, and salt. Gently drop one of the eggs into the water-filled glass. It sinks to the bottom. The egg is denser than the tap water. This causes it to sink. For cup number 2, we will make a salt solution. Add 3 tablespoons of salt and stir it.
The question is, what will happen to the egg dot in the salty water cup? Give your reason.
Fruit, pickles, and salt.
Okay, your answer is true. Continue to the second team. You can choose the number of video.
Number 2.
Video number 2.
We need 2 glass jars like these. We're going to add the same amount of water to each one. Only 1 jar should have a lid on it. Let's make sure this lid is on tight. Great! Next, we're going to use a dry erase marker to draw a line on each jar at the water level, just like this. Now we need to place these 2 jars in a windowsill that receives plenty of sunshine. We could also place the jars outside, but the jars will need to stay there for at least 24 hours, so it's important to make sure it won't rain during that time. Turn to the water evaporation in slow action experiment page in lesson 7 of your student journal. On the top section of the page, write or draw your prediction of what you think will happen in each jar, the jar with a lid and the jar without a lid. Consider what you've learned about evaporation to help you make an educated prediction. Pause the video now and fill out your predictions. All right, they're all set to stay here for 24 hours. See you soon!
The question is, what is the difference of the water dot in a closed jar and open jar? Tell your reason.
Because Jar 1 taken the sunlight.
Sorry, your answer is not correct. The true answer is first jar, the water is less. Second jar, the water is still same because the first jar, the water evaporate. Continue the third tip. You can choose the number of video.
I choose number 3.
Number 3.
All we need is a plastic bottle, a balloon, something sharp like a nail or pushpin, and well, maybe a strong set of lungs. Now let's get started to see what these few items can teach us about air pressure. The first step is to place the balloon inside the bottle, and then loop the mouth of the balloon over the mouth of the bottle. This will allow the balloon to hang freely inside. Turn to the air pressure experiment page in lesson 5 of your student journal. Before we move on though, let's observe the setup and ask ourselves a few questions. What might happen to the balloon and bottle if we try to add air? Now it's time to test your hypothesis. I'll try to inflate the balloon inside the bottle by blowing air into it. What happened? Did the balloon inflate? No, it didn't. Why? Well, even though we can't see it, air is inside the empty bottle taking up space. When you try to inflate the balloon, you're trying to add extra air into the bottle, but there's no room for it. All right, let's try this again, but in a different way. This time, let's make a small hole near the base of the bottle. If you are completing this experiment at home, be sure to get permission from an adult or have them assist you with this part. The hole doesn't need to be very big, about the diameter of a standard nail. Depending on the size of your sharp instrument, you may need to poke the bottle a few times in order to get a hole that is the correct size. All right, now we have the hole made.
The question is, what will happen with the balloon after she makes some hole on the bottle? Tell your reason.
The balloon full with the air. Because any space for the balloon can be.
Okay, your answer is true. Alhamdulillah, the challenge is done. And I give back to the master of ceremony.
Thank you, Master of Peace, for the card. And this card is for totaling the score. Then waiting a while for the Master of Ceremony counting the score in each team. Okay, this time is very stressful for us, but we are not still going to listen the winner. For our team and our audience, are you ready for this time? Congratulations for the top winner with the total score 215. It is 17 kilograms. Congratulations for the second winner with the total score 300. It is 13 kilograms. For the first winner with the total score 500, it is 14 kilograms. Please, for captain of team, can come forward for master of his place forward to give the prize.
Yay! Finally, Team 1 become the winner of ICP Champion. Alhamdulillah! Yay! Congratulations, Team 1. You become the winner of ICP champion. You are the best. Good job.
Okay, we have